Welcome to today's lesson on running technique. Last time that we met, we looked at the 4 factors that combine to make good running technique. They were stride length. The longer the stride, the less strides we have to take in the race. Cadence, the speed at which our stride takes place. Vigorous arm action, how fast our arms move and how efficient they are. And our final thing that we looked at was body position. It's really important to maintain a long stride length by picking our knees up as we run. In today's lesson, we're going to focus on our leg action. Specifically, we're going to focus on our foot strike and active leg recovery in what's called a cyclic motion. Notice when the athlete hits the ground with their foot, it is the ball of their foot that strikes the ground. This is the round area located just behind your big toe. In the running action, we claw the ground using the ball of our foot, or the forefoot as we refer to it. This clawing action produces dry friction which drives us forwards. In order to maintain an excellent clawing action, we have what's called a cyclic action of our legs. So if we look at the joints, and particularly the joint of the knee, the foot moves round in a cyclic action. As the foot hits the floor, it is in a dorsiflexed position. Notice how the recovery leg, the shin, comes up at least parallel to the ground. During the cyclic motion, we practice pulling our foot up towards our gluteus maximus. 4 exercises to try now. The first exercise is just to practice tapping the floor with your forefoot. This is in a dorsiflex position. Pause now and try. Exercise 2, clawing or scraping the ground. Keeping your foot in a dorsiflex position, practice clawing the ground backwards. Remember to do this on both feet. Pause now and practice. Task 3, recovery of the active leg. This time we're going to claw and focus on pulling that active leg up towards our gluteus maximus. Notice how fast my foot moves. Pause now. Exercise 4, the whole action with a high knee so that we can concentrate on maximising stride length. Notice that each time I lift my knee, it should raise parallel to the ground so that we can maximise that stride length. If you've got space, you could try these actions now. The first action, we're focusing on just working on one leg. The athlete will just hop while their free leg practices lifting high. Notice how high this athlete is driving their knee. In this exercise here, we're using alternate legs. Left and then right, left and then right. This athlete is focusing on that high knee drive. In this exercise, we're focusing on running on our toes, with our feet in a dorsiflex position. Often we call this straight-legged running. This athlete is concentrating on the speed at which their foot recovers.